Good afternoon, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the National Weather Service with Alaska statewide weather. Across northwestern Alaska, several areas are under winter weather advisories, winter storm watches, and winter storm warnings already at this point. For the western tip of the Seward Peninsula and the Chukchi Seacoast is where we'll focus on first. In those areas, winter storm warnings are posted and could last until Friday morning. Many areas will see accumulating snow and some strong and gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour. In some cases, blizzard conditions may be possible on a very small or local scale there, so plan for the worst there. It looks like winter storm warnings will be in effect again until at least Friday morning for those regions. A little bit further inland, including the Seward Peninsula and regions on the southern Seward Peninsula coastline, including Nome and White Mountain, winter storm watches are posted there, seeing the possibility of up to 12 inches of snow. That'll start up later tonight and continue into late Friday night, so the possibility of that snow piling in may develop as we head into tonight. Again, a winter storm watch posted for your region and for the upper Kobuk and Noatak valleys. For many areas inland, a higher chance of snow will continue as we head into the mid to late week there. Some places may see as much as 2 feet of snow in the upper Kobuk and Noatak valleys there. And across the northern Arctic coast and the western Arctic coast, winter weather advisories will continue until 6 a.m. on Thursday for blowing and drifting snow and poor visibility related to that. Looking at across the Bering Sea, a strong southwesterly fetch will continue across the central and western chain, blowing that warm and wet air up toward the western tip of the Seward Peninsula, Norton Sound, and into Kotzebue Sound as we head into Wednesday. That trend continues to take us toward the end of the week with high pressure setting up across the upper Yukon Valley at 1,036 millibars, stabilizing the weather across south central and southwestern Alaska, including Bristol Bay and areas in the eastern chain. Low pressure will hover in the Gulf of Alaska at 1,018 millibars. That will absorb into another circulation just south of Haida Gwaii by Thursday afternoon. A trough of low pressure sits across southeast. That should allow for areas of light rain to develop from Petersburg to Wrangell, southward to Craig, Klawock, and Ketchikan. The ridge of high pressure that keeps most of the weather quiet across south central and southwest will drop a little bit further south into southern Yukon, and that allows more clouds to fill up over the middle and upper Yukon Valley and the Fairbanks region, as well as the middle Tanana Valley, and more places across the western Brooks Range, the Arctic coast, and the Seward Peninsula to see an increasing chance of snow. With Alaska statewide weather, this is meteorologist Dave Snyder.